I chose Aboriginal dot painting because I lived in Australia for 4 years, and I always have been interested in the stories and the culture of the Aboriginal people, and I thought this would be a great chance to learn more about them.
Our group was Rhythms of Solidarity, and it was all about the role of music in unity. We chose this topic since all of us have a real personal connection with music. We really feel that music can do more than just provide entertainment. It can unite communities. It can bring people together. Music is a tool. It's a superpower.
And today I'm going to be talking about our project, Harmony in Hues. Our project is all about inclusion. And the reason we all chose our project as inclusion, because once upon a time, we've all been excluded. I was excluded because when I wanted to play football, they excluded me because I was a girl and I felt invisible. So then we realized we were already taking actions. We should sit and reflect. How have I discriminated in the past? I asked myself. I have discriminated my friends and individuals by seeing myself as a superior. And I realized all action starts from you. Start small, go big. We want to promote a society which has harmony in hues.
I think Neve is working the true IB way. I just see a lot of work being done by the children, and it's so authentic. The learning is so authentic here. And the confidence they showed while speaking, and as Eduardo said, all the elements they have put together for the presentations, I think it was amazing. We had a lovely time and our kids had a great learning experience, and we value our visit. Every time we come here, we are like, we find it very amazing.
There's so many key takeaways from here for sure, that expressions can be in different ways, and how these expressions comes with responsibility as well.
It's a very well thought through curriculum, and the process, trust the process, and events like Keystone and PYPX exhibition is a brilliant way of showing that the process actually delivers brilliant results.
I think events like the Keystone Project are important because students engage in an immersive experience of inquiry and research. It's also the perfect opportunity for them to take charge of their learning, to build a metacognitive awareness of their learning, to be able to reflect and readjust and regulate the learning process through continuous reflection.
We ensure that they have circle times, they sit down and talk to each other, and we provide those steps to them so that they share things in an open environment and come up with the problems and their solutions.